Begin by finding a quiet, comfortable place to sit or lie down. Gently close your eyes. Let your hands rest softly on your lap or by your sides. Take a deep breath in through your nose and slowly exhale through your mouth. Let's do that again. Inhale deeply, filling your lungs completely. Exhale gently, letting go of any tension you may be holding. Feel your body begin to soften with each breath. Inhale. Exhale. Allow your breath to settle into a natural, easy rhythm. Now bring your attention to the top of your head. As you exhale, imagine a wave of relaxation washing over your scalp and forehead. Release any tension in your eyes, your jaw, your neck. Feel your shoulders drop away from your ears. Let that wave of calm move down your arms, all the way to your fingertips. Notice any sensations, but don't hold on to them. Just observe and release. Now soften your chest, your stomach. Let your back relax, supported by the surface beneath you. Allow your legs to sink into the ground. From your hips, down your thighs, knees, calves, ankles, and feet. Feel the entire weight of your body supported, grounded, safe. Now imagine yourself in a peaceful place. Maybe you're walking through a quiet forest or lying on a warm beach, the sound of waves nearby. Perhaps you're in a cozy cabin by a fire, watching the flames flicker gently. Wherever you are, notice the colors around you, the sounds, the smells. Feel the calm of this place enter every part of you. Let it fill your mind and body. Let your heart rest here. You are safe. You are supported. You are exactly where you need to be. Silently repeat these words to yourself, or simply listen. I am calm and centered. I release what I cannot control. With each breath, I feel more at peace. I am strong. I am grounded. I am enough. Let these affirmations settle into your subconscious. Begin to bring your awareness back to the room. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Take one more deep, cleansing breath in, and exhale slowly. When you feel ready, gently open your eyes.